How are you?
Hi.
Hi. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, good. Can you tell me your Fruit of the Spirit Bible verse?
Yes.
Okay. I'm ready.
The fruit of the
I can't see you. Look at me.
love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness,
Jen.
self-control.
Keep going. Against.
Testing.
Look at me.
No law.
Yay! Galatians. Do you remember the numbers? Galatians 5. Look at me, crazy.
2.
22 and 23. Awesome job. You're doing so good, aren't you? Look at me. Okay, bye.